Okay, hi everybody. Yesterday I was out shopping. I shopped for Instacart, and these are some of the ingredients that I picked up for breakfast this morning, and we're going to get to it. Okay, here we go. We are going to start with the French toast because the kids are starving. So I'm going to take my pan. It's good for making French toast. Crack my eggs. Okay. Now I use, for 4 pieces of bread, probably 2 eggs and a little bit of cream, probably lots. I'm going to take a teaspoon of cinnamon and vanilla, about a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix her up. My pans over here are already heating up. Take a little bit of butter, French butter. Okay. We got the pan nice and buttery. Right? Okay. Put that down. Now we'll move the butter. We'll take our bread. Look. We're going to take our bread. We're going to dunk it. You want to help me dunk it? Okay. Put it in there. Just pull it, throw it in there. Put it in there. Good job. Okay, and then we let it soak a little bit. Then we flip it. Okay, you can do it on the next one. All right, sound good? Look at me. Throw it in. Good job. Right on. Okay. My daddy's gonna put this one on. Ready?
No, this now.
That one now? Yep. Good job. See how 2 eggs works so perfect for 4 pieces of bread. Perfect. Try and get all that cinnamon up.
Like, tastes good.
Is it gonna taste good? Yeah. Next we gotta slice strawberries.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we
There we
cut
go.
it.
All right. Here's we go. Hey, I said no stealing cheese. I'm watching. Okay, so we'll take our strawberries, which we've already washed. And we're going to lop off the ends, okay? We want them nice and crispy on one side, so we're going to flip them in about 2 or 3 minutes. Want to take a peek at your French toast?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
And we eat them on our plate.
Oh, on your plate, yes. You better eat it. Okay, let's look at the French toast. Just get underneath. Yeah. It looks
That's
like
a good strawberry, Dad.
Yeah, it's going to be even better on the French toast. Normally I would use French bread, but our French bread was freezer burnt today. I'm going to make your plates of French toast right now. Okay? They're cooking on this side. It'll be about 4 minutes. Okay, Dad's going to get some butter out and chop it. Because we want real butter on our French toast. 1 piece for each. Chop up an onion. Okay? We want it over here. So I'm going to lop off this end. This end. And stop stealing my strawberries. Yeah.
Those strawberries really mine.
You are stealing my strawberries, and they're for breakfast. Okay, so we got our onion and our mushrooms. Okay, I'm going to dice up some onion for our omelets and get them ready. We got mushrooms for our omelets. We've got cheese already done for our omelets, and we got some ham. Okay, then we've got our omelet fillings. Okay, let's check these on the bottom. Oh yeah, they're looking beautiful. We're gonna flip them, and then we're gonna butter them. Get them ready to serve. Hi.
Hi.
So we're gonna make French toast for me and omelets for Mom.
French toast for me and omelets for Mom. Okay, then I want to cut what that
Beautiful French toast for the kiddos. Icing sugar.
We're cooking together.
We are cooking together. So chefs, we're going to do the whipped cream. Who wants whipped cream? With the French toast. Sitting yet? I'll make fresh whipped cream next time. Oh, almost out. Okay, now for the omelets. So we put our mushrooms and onions in the pan. We're going to start frying them up. Then we're going to add some diced ham. We're going to do enough for 2 omelets. Now that's frying. While that's frying, we're going to heat up our omelet pan. Crack Mommy egg. She only likes 2-egg omelet. Okay, over here, get that frying. Perfect. Some grapes. Does baby want some banana? Yeah. Get a little Parmesan cheese. Put it in the pan. Makes the egg a little bit crispier on the outside. As you can see, it looks like that now. We get our egg in. Alright, we got our orange slices cut. We got our cheese grated. And good to go. Look at over here now. See how it's nice and not sticking? Oh, look at that. Almost. Okay. And we fixed it. Mom likes her cheese melted. We're going to put a little Parmesan. Some beautiful cheese. We got ham, mushroom, and onions. Our omelet of choice in this family. Or bacon. Bacon's a huge fan here too. And we're just going to make a half moon omelet. No fancy roll-ups today. Okay. A couple slices of orange. Yeah, I'm going to bring some over in a minute. It's looking good. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, look at that omelet. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take this. The cheese will melt in time. I'm going to slide it onto the plate. Should have went the other way. This works. And voila! I put some jalapenos in my omelet.
You have your own.
This is the final destruction of
You
their
want
French
to
toast.
eat my orange.
And that's the end of this video. Dana, say goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Perfect.